Ryan here. Here's Hiccup. Something happened to second video where my phone overheated, so it didn't work. Here's Hiccup. While we were waiting for my phone to pull down, Hiccup's sword fell down into what I like to call the black hole. The black hole. Black hole of all cars. But here's Hiccup, Toothless. We've yet opened Toothless's plasma blast. Here's Indoor Raptor from my sister Caitlin from Christmas. Here's Toothless. Sal here's. Still has to. I'm irritated because why does he have this one? And everyone, Hiccup, did you heal him? How is he healed? Tell me everything you know. Oh wait, apparently only seen one night fury in a lifetime. And a lot of people, they never seen a night fury. Yes, this night fury. Well, let's open Toothless's plasma blast. And of course it dropped. Yeah. I'm in tight space, so don't judge. Now let's... Hard because I don't have 3 hands. So here's what we do. I have my phone set up somewhere, so... And pull back, and it shoots. And Hiccup got fired at. You saw that? Toothless will shoot at Hiccup. Well, he can at least. I know this would never happen in real life. Well, there's no dragons in real life, but USA. Toothless's skin's Hiccup. Hiccup. Like this. So, my only complaint would be, well, there is no reason to complain. But the fire sword that Hiccup has down there, it bends a lot. It bends worse than this. Or his claw. Or the claw. And that doesn't even... It literally say this would be... The hand would be sword. It would bend. And bend all the time. So it was also sort of hard to get on Hiccup.
I did your snaps last night too.
Okay, thanks. So other than that, this was really good. And now I'm trying to find a place to put this. So now, final battle. Ready? Here we go, bud. Oh wait, I forgot to add one thing here. Hiccup. Just trying to find the camera. Hiccup can ride Toothless. I've yet to try this, so... Don't judge me, I'm just trying to get Hiccup on Toothless without Toothless hating me. Okay, this is Best's skin, so he can swing off and attack. So this would be Hiccup riding. Well, we got this out way now. Hiccup's bait, there you go. Right now, Hiccup's just the prisoner. Toothless the hero, Hiccup prisoner. Right. Rawr. Okay. Here comes Toothless. He wants Hiccup back. Hiccup's totally not in reaching area. Hiccup, not going to go in black hole. Hiccup, you go there. Hiccup's in dungeon. 100% can't get out. But here we go. Later on, I won't speak where the key is. Tell me where the key is to free Hiccup. Tell me everything. I know nothing. I am not the one in charge. What? Tell me. Okay, he's clear. Tail slap. Oh, lost. How you're Toothless. The little Toothless. Where will the true guy be? Toothless has a better idea. Toothless, do it. Plasma blast the gate shielded. Wait, what? Get in. Open. That's the open key. Hiccup. This is all an illusion. Toothless, go back. Please. Do not. I. Yay. I escaped. 100, and that's how it would go down. 100% true, right? Right? Please tell me how you think the battle would actually have gone, and please tell me if he shall be awakened to attack again. If not, go back to slumber. And bye, guys. We'll